Howdy. This is another fan that won't rotate. It needs servicing, which I showed you on a white one, how to go ahead in servicing the fan that won't rotate. Once you have the fan and you could hear the power is on, you could hear the humming. And it takes time to rotate, which means the fan needs servicing. Now, I will tell you all how to dismantle it, but I won't show everything because the video would take too long. On this fan, if you notice here, there are clips. You just have to use a screwdriver and unclip it. The back has one Phillips screw here. You pull this head out. Some of them have a screw in the center, but you pull in the head out. So I'll pause the video and I'll do the dismantling. Once you take out that screw, you're pulling out the head. Okay, I've taken out the back and part of the front. But with this one, it's much easier than the white one because you have more space to put your lubricant. So let me go ahead and start lubricating. Yeah, you would take your oil and pour. You don't have to take out the fan. This one is much easier. You take a piece of cloth and put it in between so the oil won't go down in the motor. Now, I don't know if on this one I mentioned to make sure you unplug it and the power is off, because tampering with electricity is something totally different. When you put the oil and you turn it around, you notice it's turning free now. You would pull it up and down to free it up. Once you've done that side, you would turn it to the back. But before turning it, you can put some oil down here. And keep on turning. You would wipe your blade, take out some of the dust. In my forehead. knock. Once you get that done, you'd put it to stand and you'd wipe some of the oil out. You would turn it around and you would put the power on it. You would plug it in and you would turn the knob. This is it for this one. If you find it was informative and educational, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos, and you're free to share the video. Yeah, you're free to share the video. Goodbye and thank you.